Hey there, welcome to Humble Stack. I'm going to show you how the timeline actually works in DaVinci Resolve. If you understand that the timeline is just stacked layers over time, everything else becomes predictable. You got the horizontal, which is the time. Let me go ahead and drag and clip in here. Pull this in. Change. So that's how you pull a clip in, right? Just pull it down here. You got your timeline. This is your more like in-depth timeline, easier to adjust. So like if you have speaking, it's easier to get in between words because it'll show the audio. But this is just an easy way to navigate the whole thing, you know? So you got horizontal, time, vertical, layers. So if I want to stack something on top, bang. And now that's what's going to show. So top is in front, bottom's behind. I can show you that it's still behind if I go over here and change the size of this first one. So you see up here we got the zoom, make that smaller. You can also change the position with this X and Y right here. Doesn't let you move it just by stretching it, so you have to use these numbers over here. And you'll get used to it. It's not that complicated. So like, for example, I'll also show you something. Let's see. We showed you the zoom right here. Zoom, 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 zoom. And the position. And something else cool. So right here, you can set, whoops, let's make that smaller again. Let's set the position, keyframe, little dot, makes a red dot. Let's let it play for a minute. So right here. Now, right there, I'm going to move this down here. Check this out. If we go back a little bit, oh, now, once it gets there, it's going to move. Yeah, buddy. You can use these keyframes to do all sorts of stuff. So like I can make this keyframe right here, keep going, and make this big. And that creates the second keyframe over here. Oh, now it moves. Now it gets big in just a second. See, now it's big. I don't really know how I'm going to make these tutorials. It's kind of weird, and I'm trying to keep them short. So I'm just recording a bunch, and then I'm going to cut. Say I wanted to add some music, right? Wanted to add some music. So we go to the desktop. This is just where I have some music. So let's see. Let's do one of these. Let's do this. Yeah. So let's do the thing. It gets big. Over here. Now we'll just make this cut right here. Cut. Delete this part. So it gets big, and then like here again. We'll fade it out. Let's check it. It's a dumb edit, but it fades out. Cool. Alright, anyways, I think that kind of explains the timeline and how to use it. I'll see you next time with some more tips.